is Claude Code? Why is everyone so hyped about it? Like, what is it about this particular piece of software, this versus what exists from OpenAI and Gemini and all this stuff? Like, why has this captured everyone's imagination?
If you really look at kind of what exists within Claude Code, you're calling out to a model, and they gave it capability around sort of two big things. One is you can read and write files on your computer. And then two is that you can operate Unix, the bash commands that exist in your environment. And because these models were trained on the internet, and there's no greater source of information on the internet than how to make the internet, they know how to use Unix commands incredibly well. They kind of just gave the model access to these two or three very simple things. And it kind of turned out that it unlocked a whole bunch of functionality that I don't think even the people who built it fully realized. One example that I think about a lot is just the challenge you have with all of these AI models is that they're stateless. So every time you talk to ChatGPT, it's sending your entire conversation history back to ChatGPT because it has no saved history of that chat. It means that, it forgets things. It doesn't know conversation to conversation. And one very easy way to save your state is just write it to a file. And so you give it write access and it can create files. And now all of a sudden you've overcome this, like probably the single biggest challenge that exists inside these large language models, which is that they're fundamentally stateless.